I'm Kurtis from Austin Organic Gardeners. Today we're going to talk about lemongrass propagation. When your lemongrass might be getting too big, it might be time to propagate it. Because we're going to go down to a lot smaller plant. Cutting up, we're dividing it, and essentially going to make several, like a lot more plants. Again, this stuff is great life energy in it. It wants to grow, so it's like even the simplest little sticks like this with just a little bit of root on it. Cut it down because you only need about maybe 4 to 6 inches of green on top, and the same 4 to 6 inches of root for the bottom. You can put them and grow them in pots, and probably grow them in a pot here just to get through the winter. Lemongrass repels mosquitoes. It's used to make a citronella, and then the top, the fronds, whatever, make excellent mulch. Lemongrass has so many uses. You see it either in with food, a lot of the Asian, the Thai cuisine. You'll see it in, of course, teas. And just a quick internet search will show you all sorts of recipes that take advantage of the antibacterial natures of lemongrass. People forget that. There's all sorts of salves, stuff you can make with it. Very useful plant, a great tasting plant. I think everybody should grow lemongrass. I hope you learned something about lemongrass today. If you have any questions about lemongrass, be sure to tag us and our Facebook group, Austin Organic Gardeners.